I've been out of the game a few days, but back in the saddle today. It's Sunday the 9th of July. It's not forecast any rain today. It's very warm. But yeah, there'll be quite a few updates today, hopefully. See how a lot of the things are doing now. A lot of the nests are doing. We'll see if we can get around, weather permitting. Just a quick one back at Fence Line Blackbird. Original clutch of 5, one fledgling out. And there you are. That was a clutch from 5 down to 4 mysteriously. And of the 4 remaining eggs, 1 hatched out and fledged, leaving the 3 in there. That nest is a mess now, as you can see. But that's the strangest strangest nest that I've come across for a clutch getting out. Aye. Well, looking here, I think that pheasant, that sitting pheasant, bramble patch, might have gotten them eggs out. Yeah, not much of a nest at all. Full scrape, but I don't think it's had a massive clutch. But yeah, good well of getting out of there. Excellent. This was an active dunnock nest that was just off on a little tilt, but as you can see there, I've lost that one. Raggy in there. Oh, what a shame. Yeah, I lost that dunnock. Damn it. Shame. That's a nice. There's a new linnet. Yeah, that's a nice one. Clutch of 5. Yeah. Nice one. Bird's just come out. Just a quick check back in on the blackbird. Oh, brilliant. Looks like I think there might be 4 actually there. Oh, excellent. Brilliant. I'll be able to check back on them. Great stuff. Little chiff-chaff going mad in this area actually, so I'll have a little look. But excellent on the blackbird. That's the update on that one. I'm just sitting here. I've got an active area in here for the Yellowhammer. I've looked for it 2 weeks now. He's always perched up. The male is always perched up on a little hawthorn. Well, I don't know where that nest is. Haven't been able to locate it. I'll sit here. It's quite a good little area for other warblers as well. So we'll see if anything comes of it. Just pulled up here. I'm still in the area where that Yellowhammer is, but moving across 150 meters, still same field. there's another male singing, so to confuse matters, I've got two males. Not too far, two territories not too far from each other. Can't find any of the nests. But what I found a common white-throat. You might be able to hear her wanting to get closer to the nest. She's got a full clutch of 5. It's quite late. Beauty little nest, so delicately balanced. There's also a chiff-chaff in this area as well. And it's wanting to get back to its nest. They're all over here actually, all the warblers are over here. Which, surprisingly enough, are easier to find than the blinking Yellowhammer. Hard to locate them two. It's confused matters massively, them two males. There he is there. Anyways, I'll keep an eye. This one here, it's quite tough to get into, but it's a new one. Yeah, come on, white-throat. Get that. Yeah. Just listen to that Yellowhammer male, and I seen a little bird drop in. I thought it was one of the white-throats actually, but I thought, oh, I'll check that bramble when I go over there, and of course, here it is. Beauty. Anyways, I'll get back out, let her get back in. Aye, nice one that. Delicately balanced, that mine. So delicately balanced. Aye. That's a late coming white-throat. Excellent. We'll get her back in. Check back in at the one I had found building. And then it had the one egg. Now you can see that full clutch of 4. Yeah. Not as much hair lining in that one as that new one I've just found, but aye, he's doing well. Great stuff. Get out here. Here's a brand new Yellowhammers. We'll have a little look in. Oh, two beauty. 2 eggs. Just heard the Yellowhammer. Bramble bankside. It's a beauty. There they are. Fantastic, that one. I'm going to check on a couple of others. Both of them. One with a saltry egg, and the other one that had 4, the showy Yellowhammer. I'll check on them. But that's a new one. Excellent. This one here was one of the first Yellowhammers. Remember, I was like a little grassy bankside and just mowing the grass. Never had a clutch from that, and yet it looks great. It does look great. So, with that, it didn't look like it had fledglings out of there, but I just don't know whether it's getting taken early. The eggs, the clutch, I don't know. The nest still looks great. Shame about that one. Just a quick check in at the showy Yellowhammer, and you can see 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 beaks there. Hatched out pretty quick, these. Aye, it's a beauty nest. Brilliant. It's good to see you doing well there. It's a healthier return anyways. Aye, excellent, good stuff. There's the fledged tunic. That was the other one. I lost the other one, but that one is out. That's gone there now. One egg left, right, of course. Yeah, let's see. Chicks are out. Oh, got out, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, let's see, so. Yeah, one infertile egg. Again. This one here, this one Ghost Bramble, there's a brand new Yellowhammer's in there. Yeah, he's brand new, him. I'm not picking that up very well, but yeah, he's brand new. Excellent. First one in Ghost. Aye. Ready to go. Bit more lining in there, I think, and we're ready